Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use ClayStack app. First of all, on the main page you need to press start staking to access the app, and you will be on the page with the mainnet. Now you can stake Matic tokens on Polygon and Ethereum network. So we should connect our MetaMask, and in a few seconds you will be on the page of the app where you can stake your tokens. Everything is very simple. On the left side you can see the average per year percent, the total value, your amount of tokens, the price of CS Matic, and the reward calculator. On the right side there is a menu where you can stake your tokens. At the moment we will try to stake one Matic. You should put it up here and press the stake button. Everything is very simple. You will see how much CS Matic you will get, and there is a staking limit down here. So now when we approve the transaction, you can add CS Matic to MetaMask, and you will see your new tokens that you received from ClayStack in MetaMask. Now, when we successfully added Matic to staking, we will try to unstake it. So here on Polygon we have an option of flash exit. Flash exit acts like a liquidity pool, and you can get your tokens, your staked tokens, in a few seconds. So let's add everything that we've staked and press flash exit. I have these tokens, CS Matic tokens, already approved, but maybe you will need to approve them first. You will see this later when we will try to use Victoria testnet. So everything is very simple. Here you have actually a very helpful help center where you can see a lot of useful information, or you can access Discord to ask your question. So let's try to change the network, and let's go to Ethereum network. Here you can see that we have unstaking or unbonding period of 80 apples, and we have a separate reward fee, 10% for using Ethereum, but the design is quite the same, so everything is simple. You can add Matic here and stake it the same way. So let's go to Mission Hub now. Mission Hub is an activity page in which you can participate right now and earn some points, which will result in rewards in future. So here you can receive rewards for staking your Matic every week. You can make daily missions, like answering some questions about crypto and DeFi. You can participate in challenges, in Twitter activities. You can see there were a lot of events before and will be more in future. There's a leaderboard, so you can see that people that participate from the beginning, they already have tons of points, but still you can join. And now we can go to Victoria testnet. Victoria testnet is a testnet network in which you can use this app with Polygon, with Graph, and Phantom network. So let's try to use it with Graph, and we see that the interface is quite the same. We will switch to Rinky test network, and here we can use Faucet to receive some GRT tokens. After we use the faucet, we can approve GRT in MetaMask to use these tokens, and then we can stake. We can try to stake one GRT here. So everything is quite the same. Victoria testnet is like a sandbox to test all the functions, and we can see that everything is work exactly the same. Now we can, when we will receive GRT tokens, we can unstake them. Here you can see that we have 6 epochs of unbonding period before receiving your GRT tokens back. So you see that user interface is very simple. We will be happy you to join our community in Twitter, in Discord, in Telegram, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye bye.